Good morning. What a treat I've got in store for you today. So we are finally building the wall, working from the corner, coming out. Basically, they're going to be prepping the Indian stone. So I want that corner done. Whereas the far corner still needs dig and a bit of footing in, this and other. So I'm not stressing about that. I'm just going to get this corner done. Then they can pull their hardcore up and through when they're ready. They can lay when they're ready. But yeah, we are not mixing it. We are buying it from Palmer Nurseries, the mortar. I've promoted these guys quite a lot actually, and they've promoted me. His wife works in marketing. I think she's an exec marketing. Works for herself as well. And just rang me up to say, can you just like wear a clean top tomorrow? Come down and see us. I just want to do a little bit of filming with you. So yeah, sound. Gets down there, like bloody BBC have turned up. So they've got camera all set up, big light behind it, shining on me. And then they were like, right, what do you want to say? And I told them, roughly, because, like, what I'm going to say, you know what I mean? And then as soon as that camera went, yep, go on then, action. I was like, just couldn't do it. Just couldn't do it at all. But then I did another take in the afternoon, and another take, and then another take. But that then inspired me to do this, YouTube. That's what it did. Because now I can just babble on and I can talk crap. You know what I mean? But that's what we're doing it. That's what we do. There's no point being all monotone and action cut. Say what you say. Do what you do. Stutter when you stutter. That's me. Is what it is. So, yeah, thanks to them. This has inspired me to YouTube. So thanks to them, thanks to me, thanks to you. We're all entertained, aren't we? But yeah, we're picking this mortar up, and then me and Tyler are going to be laying. Tom's training for a 50k ultra out over a marathon's an ultra in it. 50k ultra, which is all off road as well. I think it's down in Peak District or up in Peak District if you're from down south. So last night he did a 32k run last night. Fuck that. So he ran from Rodley Canal, where we all live, all the way down to Shipley, come off at Shipley, up the hill to Baildon. Can't even drive up there, it's well steep. Up over Baildon Moor, dropped over Eldwick is it Eldwick other side? I think it's Eldwick other side. I'm sure it is. And then dropped down to Bingley, Five Rise Locks even, across the canal, come off again at Thackley, I think that village is called Thackley, and then went up and over and round and down into Bradford and back down. But his mate said, I need you to do me a favour. I need you to come and get me when you're on 27k. Aim for his house, 27k. And he went, why, what's up? We're going to go for a 5k run. Now, Tom runs fast, something like 4 point something a kilometre. Crap. I don't know. Whatever it is, it's fast anyway. Fast pace. And basically, this guy just wants to beat him. So, but I bet he will. I bet even after that, because his body's still pumping, I bet he can just go woof, again, keep going. But 50k, that's ridiculous, isn't it? And it's off, and you go over 3 peaks, I think, on it as well. So I think reality is you run, you walk, you run, you walk, you run. You know what I mean? I think that's reality of it. But yeah, I'll catch you in a bit. There's a van here now, so I'm going to have to move. That's all. That's the only reason why I cut you off. I'll catch you in a bit. And that, my friends, is a drive-through concrete plant. So they bought this last year, start of last year I think it was, coming from Belgium. Cost a fucking lot of money, I'll tell you that, cost a lot of money. And then they, obviously it's gone slow, but it's just getting faster and faster. More people are using it now. But I tell you why more people are using it, because that then just cost me 46 quid. For £46, and I've got 250 litres, quarter of a cube going on there, which will do me the day. But for a bulk of sand, 75 quid, 60 quid, somewhere around there. For a bulk of sand, I normally put, say, like 10 cement on, for example. So that's another 100 quid on there. So it's 40 odd quid. Time as well. Time. That's the main thing. You're saving time. I'm going there now. There's naught for us to do on that side. We don't need to set up that mixer and it being where they can prep the patio. Done. Just need to shovel it into a barrow. Easy as that. Right, I'm off to go sit in some traffic in Horsforth. I'll see you all soon. Right, flat. Right, so we're cracking on now. Done my first 6 metres. Just bear with me. Copyright crap. Got to turn this off. Good job it's only news. No, I'm wrecking everything here. Right, first 6 metres done. Expansion gap. And then this is 6 metres this way. Absolutely bang on. Not saying I'm good at my job, but bang on. Let's have a look. It goes. This is my plan today. Oh, it's falling off the trees. It went rain this morning. 6 metres up there. Going to stop by the pin because we haven't dug the return outlet that side. I pull it this way a bit. Don't know yet. Behind my camera here, I'm going to build down to this corner and then push it over to out, and then push it over to the fence. Get all the base done. Get all my water gaps in, and then start building corners, filling in between. However I decide to do it. Got his profile here. Can only find one. This yard is an absolute dump, and I can't find my profile. So we're going to have to do a profile at that side, but then at this side, Tom, what they're called? Bricky block. So hang on a minute, I forgot what they call it. I called it an angle thing this morning. Line block. I'm going to use my line block at that side. Yeah, we had about 300 of them last year. Got frigging none now, so I had to buy some more. But yeah, this is going well. It's going well. So the concrete that we bought this morning, the mortar that we bought this morning, is a 4-to-1, and it's they've named it themselves, and it's called Summer. So basically, it's got half-day retarder in it, just for obviously a bit of heat and stuff. It starts to go off by dinner time if it's just mortar, but they do 2-day retarders, 1-day retarder, half-day retarder. I think they've even got a 3-day. So if you wanted to like get it bulk delivered here by them, it's here, innit? It's here. It's easy service. It's like McDonald's with touchscreen. That's what it is. But yeah, need to crack on doing that. Moaning about Tom doing a 30k last night, training for a 50k in the end of June, whenever. So I had to climb bloody Nevis this weekend. Crazy. You know what I'm doing? Chilling with my sausage dog. That's what I'm doing. But yeah, let's get building. So that's it. 4 o'clock, 250 litres, done. That's all you need really. The main bit, the hardest bit obviously is setting up the bottom layer. We have now set up, so tomorrow, especially this side over here, tomorrow it'll just be straight on, string line on, bam, string line on, bam, just so fast. So worked out it's roughly seven courses high, but here it's dropping here. We might go a little bit, just step it, see what they want, see what looks right as we're doing it as well. Don't want it like overpowering, too big, you know, but it needs to obviously accommodate the soil at the same time. So yes, that's how we get mortar when building a wall. Even with fencing, actually, to be honest with you, we've got quite a large fence I'm quoting tonight. We've more or less got it. Client that we've known for years, and we're going to use the semi-dry off of them. Semi-dry, 5-to-1, 20mm gravel, something like that. It's just easier, isn't it? It's easier than taking mixer and bloody messing about with post mix when it's a large fence. Small fences we don't bother, but large fences. But yes, right. Have a good evening. I'll see you tomorrow, 8 o'clock sharp.